morning. Welcome to Max online class. In previous class, you studied about subtraction of integer using number line and without number line. In this class, we discussed about some real life problems based on subtraction of integers. Don't skip the class and watch the full video. 0.13. Chitra has rupees 150. She wanted to buy a bag which cost rupees 225. How much money does she need to borrow from her friend? First, listen the question. Chitra has rupees 150 only. So, the amount she had is 150. But the cost of the bag is 225. Cost of the bag is higher than the amount she had. So, she decided to borrow some amount from her friend. Okay. First, write the statement. Amount with Chitra is 150. She got only 150, no? So, amount with Chitra is 150. Next, write the cost of the bag. Cost of the bag is given in question 225 rupees. So, rupees 225. So, cost of the bag is higher than amount she had. So, we subtract the biggest number to smallest number. So, amount to be borrowed equal to rupees 225 minus rupees 150. Already you know the subtraction, but don't worry. Once again, you listen the subtraction problem. 225 minus 150. As usual, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Next, 2 minus 5 cannot subtract. So, we just borrow from the next place value. Okay. Borrow from the 100th place value means it will become changed to 1. The next 10th place will change to 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the answer is 75. Amount she borrowed from her friend is rupees 75. Example 1.14. What is the balance in Chelian's account as a result of purchase for rupees 1079 if he had an opening balance of rupees 5000 in his account? First, understand the question carefully. In Chelian's bank account, the opening balance is rupees 5000. He purchased something for rupees 1079. So 1079 is a debit amount from his account. Okay. The first statement is, right, opening balance is 5000. So opening balance is 5000. Next, he purchased something for rupees 1079. So the debit amount is 1079. Debited means it reduced. So we use minus subtraction. Okay. So 5000 minus 1079. Normal subtraction only. 5000 minus 1079. Okay. Okay students, listen the sum. 0 minus 9, it's not possible. So we just borrow from the next place value. The next place value is also 0. So we just looking forward to next place value. The next place value is also 0. Once the 1 tens hundreds are 0. So we borrow from 1000th place value. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. The 1 will goes to 100th place. Okay. Next, we borrow from 100th place means 100th place will change to 9 and 10th place will change to 1. Again, we borrow from 10th place to 1th place means 10th place will change to 9 and 1th place will become 10. Now, the subtraction is very easy. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, the answer is 3921. So the answer is 3921. The balance amount in his account is rupees 3921. Example 1.15. The temperature at Srinagar was minus 3 degrees Celsius on Friday. If the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius next day, then what is the temperature on that day? Listen, the solution of the sum. The temperature at Srinagar was minus 3 degrees Celsius on Friday. If the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius, 3 degree is minus 3 degree means it is a negative value. Okay. 0 degree is a freezing point of the temperature. So minus means it very cold. Already minus 3 degrees Celsius. Again 1 degree Celsius reduced means reduce represent as minus sign. Here reduced means minus. So minus 3 degrees Celsius minus 1 degree Celsius. Keep the same minus sign and add the two temperatures. 3 plus 1, 4. So minus 4 degree Celsius. You just listen the sum. Using number line, it will become very easiest one. First, you draw one line. And it is 0 degree Celsius, 1 degree Celsius, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. On Friday, the temperature is minus 3 degree Celsius. The next day, 1 degree Celsius decreased means it goes to left side. So the next day, the temperature is minus 4 degree Celsius. Are you understand? Okay, students. Next question. Example 1.16. A submarine is at 300 feet below the sea level. If it ascends to 175 feet, what is its new position? Listen, submarine is at 300 feet below the sea level. So below means it represents as minus. Next, if it ascends to 175 feet, ascends means climb or up. Okay, write the first statement. Initial position of the submarine is 300 feet below. Below represents as minus sign. So minus 300 feet. Next, distance ascended by submarine. The submarine climbed up 175 feet. So the climb up or ascents represent as plus. So plus 175 feet. Next, they are asking the new position of the submarine. New position of the submarine is equal to initial position of submarine plus distance ascended by submarine. So minus 300 plus 175. Okay. The two signs are different. Minus 300 and plus 175. It means you just keep the biggest number sign minus. Next, subtract the biggest number to smallest number or find the difference between two numbers. That means 300 minus 175. You will get minus 125. So, this is the submarine is 125 feet below the sea level. Okay, students, are you understand the example 1.16? Thank you. In this class, you are learned about 4 example sums. Next is a homework section. Okay, students, today homework is very easy. Only 3 questions. In your book, page number 14, the question number 4 and page number 15, question number 5, question number 6. Totally 3 homework questions. Only question number 4, 5, 6. 3 questions are very easy. Just understand the question and try to yourself. If any doubts, then ask your teacher. And thank you for watching my class. We will meet on the next class. Tata, bye bye.